there was just a study I read that came out very recently talking about how fast things are changing on the West Coast, and how just because of flukes of geography and the way currents change, that the West Coast is going to see these changes so much faster than other parts of the world, and that it's coming now at a pace that nobody expected even just a few years ago. And that sort of stuck with me. When we were in Papua New Guinea, we actually got to see these bubble sites, and it's just impossible to explain how freaky and cool and weird it is to be sort of going through these bubbles that are just sort of like shimmering up from the ground. And Steve and I are both rookie divers. We have no experience in the water, and it was basically our first experience in the water, and it was just phenomenal. And then seeing the plates, the scientists actually put down plates where they hope corals will take root, and they did this in a healthy coral reef, and then again a couple hundred yards away where these bubble sites were, and then we watched them pull plates from these two places and compare them. And you're basically looking at a tiny little microcosm of future coral reefs in both of these places. And the difference between them was astounding. I mean, one of them is just like this, it looks like a gigantic rainbow of colors, and there's all sorts of cool little things on it. And the other one's like brown slime and algae. And these are like two different pieces of our future, depending on how we deal with carbon dioxide. And it was really like the single most compelling thing that we saw, I'd imagine.